champ, let's consider this problem. So champ, in this problem, Jack is out for the treasure hunt and Jack found that he is at a point 2,2 and the treasure is at the location point Q, which has the coordinate 10, 11. Now Jack wants to find out that what is the distance of Jack and treasure. What is the distance between Jack and treasure? So can we find if we know the coordinates? So champ, let me show you and welcome into another amazing session. I'm your master teacher Shivam Gupta, and in today's class of coordinate geometry, we are gonna see the distance formula and how to apply it. Champ, let's get start. So in this class, we will see how to derive the distance formula, right champ? Then we will solve some question on equidistant point, collinear point, and then we will see some shape of the polygon. In the last, we will see the shape of the polygon also. So tell you champ, let's start. So let's see, first of all, let's cover the basic. So champ, let's say we have 2 points, point P and point Q. Now P has the coordinates x1, y1, whereas point Q has a coordinate x2, y1. So champ, what will be the distance between P and Q? The distance between P and Q will be x2 minus x1. That's it. And same, let's say we have a point R and the coordinates of the point R is x2, y2. So what will be the distance between Q and R? That will be y2 minus y1. Now champ, we know the distance PQ, we know the distance RQ. Now let's join all these points and let's make a triangle PQR. Now we can see champ that triangle PQR is nothing but right angle triangle 90 degree at the vertex Q. Now if it is a right angle triangle, then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So after applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find the distance PR. I hope you are getting that in which direction we are going. So champ, now in order to find PR, let's apply Pythagoras. PR square will be equal to PQ square plus RQ square. We know the distance PQ, we know the distance RQ. Just put the values and from here I'm getting PR is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So champ, this is the formula that if in the coordinate plane, if we know the coordinate of any 2 points, if we know the coordinate of any 2 points, then champ, with the help of distance formula, we can find the distance between the point also. That actually what is the distance between those points. I hope it is clear. Now champ, let's get back to the initial problem where Jack is waiting for us. Now Jack wanted to find the distance between him and the treasure. Now we know the coordinates of the Jack, we know the coordinates of the treasure also, we know the distance formula also. So now champ, we can apply the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square. Simple, take the difference of x value whole square plus take the difference of y value whole square. We will get distance between Jack and the treasure is nothing but under root of 145 units. I hope it is clear. Very good. Now champ, let me show you one question based on the equidistant point. So champ, the meaning of equidistant is what? A simple, find a point which is equidistant from point A and B. That means we have to find a point which is at the equal distance from A and B point. So equidistant means equal distance. So now champ, let's assume that we have a point P. Point P is the point which is at the equidistant from A and B. So we can write that PA equal to PV. PA equal to PV. Now we know the distance formula. We know the coordinate of A. We know the coordinate of B. And we have assumed the coordinate of P also. So we can apply the distance formula after applying distance formula, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square will get cancelled out. Yes. So I will be left with y square cancel out. I will left with y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2 and x could be anything. Why? Because the terms of x are getting cancelled out. That means for the point P, the value of x could be anything. Could be 0, could be 1, could be minus 1, could be 1.5, could be rational or irrational. But the value of y will always be 2. That means, champ, if in the coordinate plane, if I will draw a line y equal to 2. Okay, so y equal to 2 is the line on which every point is at the equal distance from point A and point B. On the line y equal to 2, every point is at the equidistant from A and B. Remember it. Very easy question. Okay, so now, champ, let me show you how we can find the collinearity of the points. So, champ, let's say we have to prove that 3 points are collinear. How can we prove this? So, the question to think about that, champ, if the points are collinear, so out of A and B option, which option must be true? If points are collinear, then we know that the sum of any two distance will be equal to third distance, because all the points lying on the same line. Yes, the same concept we have to apply over here. If I were to find that whether the 3 points are collinear or not, and the coordinates of the points are given to us, what to do? Find every possible distance AB, BC and CA. Now, if the points are collinear, right, the distance between 2 points will be equal to the sum of other two distance. Look at here. 10 is equal to 5 plus 5. That means ABC points are collinear. I hope it is clear. Okay, very good. Now, champ, let me show you that how we can define the shape of any polygon with the help of distance formula. Look at this question. Prove that the point ABC are the vertices of isosceles right angle triangle. First of all, it's the isosceles. So the question to think about is the triangle is isosceles at the same time right angle triangle. So what are the conditions? The first condition, my two sides will be equal. Yes. My second condition, the Pythagoras must be applied. Yes. So just apply these two conditions. So, champ, 3 vertices are given to us. Find distance AB, BC and AC. AB is 5, BC is 5, AC is 5 root 2. Now I can see that, champ, first of all, these two are equal. It's the isosceles triangle. Yes. Now we can see the Pythagoras theorem is also applicable. Yes. If Pythagoras theorem is applicable, then it's a right angle triangle also. That's it. Hence proved. Easy question. I hope it is clear. Very good. Now, champ, it's a very important table, so make sure that you are taking a picture of a screenshot of this one. Many times in the exam, we have asked about find the shape. Whether it's a rhombus, it's a square, parallelogram, rectangle, right? Isosceles, equilateral. So it's very important you know these conditions, that in which shape we have to find what properties. Okay, I hope it is clear. Very good. So now, champ, let's summarize our class. In this class, we have seen that if in the coordinate plane we know 2 points with their coordinates, then we can find the distance of those 2 points in the coordinate plane with the help of distance formula. And distance formula is very useful in the collinearity, in finding the shape of the polygon also. I hope it is clear to you. Very good. So, champ, that's all for this class. Don't forget to practice. Stay tuned and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.